Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are fine. I am going to discuss mathematics class second year chapter number 3 integration. In this lecture I will solve exercise number 3.2, question number 2, part number 9, 10, 11, that is most relevant for paper's point of view. So let's start. Question 2, evaluate part number 9, that is integral sine square x dx. So first, as it is, integral sine square x dx. Dear students, cos 2x, we know that cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sine square x. So cos square x, we also know that cos square x plus sine square x is equal to 1. So cos square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x can also be written in this form. So cos square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x minus sine square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x minus sine square x is equal to minus 2 sine square x. So cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. So cos 2x minus take on this side, so plus 2 sine square x is equal to 1. So 2 sine square x is equal to, take other side, so 1 minus cos 2x dividing by 2 on both sides, 2 to cancel. So sine square x is equal to 1 divided 2 into 1 minus cos 2x. So sine square x can also be written in the form of integral 1 divided 2 into 1 minus cos 2x dx. So by applying integral 1 divided 2 integral 1 dx minus integral cos 2x dx bracket close is equal to 1 divided 2 integration of 1 is x minus integration of cos 2x is equal to sine 2x. Again function 2x divide 2 plus c, which is equal to 1 divide 2 x minus 1 divide 2 multiply 1 divide 2 is equal to 1 divide 4 sine 2x plus c, which is the required solution. Next part 10. Question 2 part 10, that is integral 1 divided by 1 plus cos x into dx, where x less than pi over 2 greater than minus pi divide 2 domain is given. So first, as it is, integral 1 divide 1 plus cos x into dx. So 1 plus cos x, we know that 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x divided 2. Formula 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x divided 2. So 1 divided by 2 cos square x divided 2 into dx, which is equal to 1 divided 2 into 1 divide cos square x divided 2 into dx, which is equal to 1 divide 2 integral 1 divide cos square x, 1 over cos in numerator, so secant square x divided 2 into dx. 1 divide cos can also be written in the form of numerator, so secant square x divided 2, which is equal to 1 divided 2 integration of secant x is tan x. So tan secant square x is tan x divided 2 dot divided by 1 divided 2 plus c. Integration of secant x divided 2 is equal to tan x divided 2 over function x divided 2 integration is 1 divided 2. So 1 divided 2 cancel, which is equal to tan x divided 2 plus c, which is the required solution. Next, part number 11. Part number 11, that is integral ax plus b divided by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So first, as it is, integral ax plus b divided by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. If f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then f prime of x is equal to derivative of x square with respect to x is equal to x. So 2ax plus derivative of bx with respect to x is equal to b. So derivative of b to bx, that is, so correct the question, plus 2bx plus 2bx, given question is ax square plus 2bx plus c. So correction, ax square plus bx 2bx plus c. So 2bx divided by 2. So derivative of 2bx is equal to b. So we multiply and dividing by 2. is equal to 1 divide 2 into divide and multiply 2 into ax plus b divided by ax square plus 2bx plus c into dx, which is equal to 1 divide 2 into 2 multiply 2ax plus 2b divided by ax square plus 2bx plus c into dx, which is equal to 1 divide 2 derivative of ax square is equal to 2ax plus derivative of 2bx is equal to 2b plus c derivative, constant derivative is equal to 0. So we can also write derivative is given in denominator function. So 1 divide 2 natural log into ax square plus 2bx plus c. So again integration c1, which is the required solution. Derivative of denominator function is given in on above numerator function. So we can write these equation in a natural log form. 1 divide 2 natural log into x square plus 2b plus c into c1, which is the required solution. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.